actually made a little more sense of its early cancellation only because it was, it cost so much money to produce. Oh wow, I'm up there. Hi. And, you know, our numbers were dwindling with American audiences. We were hugely popular internationally, but with Secret Circle, we were the second most viewed show on that network. Granted, yet again, we were the most expensive show on the network. But you'd think that we would have lasted. I think that there was a lot of creative friction between our writers and the network. And I think that the network was concerned about where we were going in the second season. And there was a lot of argument there, and, you know, it was certainly, I hope, nothing to do with us, the cast, because we all got along so well and had a great working environment. But I think they had a lot of new pilots. I mean, they had more new pilots, new shows than any other network, and they were all very cheap to produce. And I think they wanted to take a chance on those as opposed to give us another year. But yes, it was sad. But it was very close. I mean, we really didn't know. As we were finishing filming season 1, I heard from everybody in LA, you know, oh yeah, you're picked up for sure, like it's not even a question. And then, like a week later, it was like, no, you're gonna get canceled. So I didn't know quite what happened there, but alas. We tried Estelle, it didn't work. I know. I thought typecasting would work, but okay.